she saw the princess of Egypt coming to bathe. Suddenly, the princess noticed something in the reeds. What's that? She asked. Please bring it here.
I have you guys on a tripod that I dismantled. It's like a phone tripod, but I dismantled it to create my own little mini tripod thing. So hopefully this works. Hopefully. I can just hold you guys in my hand.
I'll see you later.
So hopefully this works. Alright guys, so I cut down my nails and I'm going to buff them off. I went to do my nails on Friday. That's this Friday. And I'm going to carry guys with me. Today is Wednesday. The vlog went live last Thursday, but when that vlog went live, it's today Wednesday. As in, I uploaded it today Wednesday. As in, it's going to go live tomorrow Friday, but I finished editing it today. But I figure you guys are going to love the long vlog, so as long as I just start vlogging right after I upload the last one, then I can have enough content for you guys. And it seems as if the vlogs are doing really well, which I suspected because on my vlog channel I get views on my vlog channel. Hold on. Somebody suggested that. Yeah, somebody suggested that I just start over with my channel, and I just told her thanks because it did come to me, but I don't want to. You know, I believe that just that's how I can start over with new people, new this, new that, and I have to still use the same platform that I've had for years to still promote that new channel. So I'm just going to go on with what I have now. I'm buffing down my nails because I'm going to sort them off later. I do want to do them tomorrow, but Auntie Tia will be busy tomorrow. So I have two nail techs, Cassie and Auntie Tia. So I'm going to stay in a Portmore for that 1 year, but it's going to be Friday evening. And I have a one-on-one class to teach on Friday. So after I finish with the one-on-one class, I'm just going to go straight to Auntie Tia. So I'm going to see if I can arrange for that for 6. And I won't leave there till late because that's what I'm going to do with my nails. Probably not until like 9 or 10. So yeah. So just buffing my nails.
This is a good look. You know I mean?
Yeah, stifle, but
yeah. And I was dead, I am going to choose one. And I am dead, yeah, and I am just, you know, stifle to death or sunburn, you choose.
Take the reverse bleach. One thing for shut up. Come over.
You just make fathers up, man. You see, when a man has a child versus when the mother has a child. You see this? You never the pregnant man says that the program pull out.
You give me that Sims or something?
No, I'm vlogging.
You are? Oh my God!
What the hell?
I'm not used to that.
I'm a vlogger. I always vlog. This is good content. What? Oh, Jesus. Jesus, Judah. No.
Women don't understand the children stuff like when they are them they don't get money anymore.
No, and gaming channels are dead. Dead.
One next souvenir song.
I can drink some? I can have some?
No.
Sorry. Keisha, but me just want to come and pull and start drink out your wine.
Bossy, so when you hear the one, bossy, anything you want, I can drink.
Oh my God, I love wine, you know. I don't think you understand.
That one tastes good. And I'm not a wine person. I always ridicule the wine person.
Them fruit mad again.
I prefer sparkling wine.
No girl, you mean you prefer grape juice?
This one not bad. That alone, yeah, that's sweet. That's why.
Oh girl, we're not of this.
You know, I said that alone. That's why
Me never know Keisha.
see, some clients who open it fine. You can drink whatever.
God bless you. God bless this house. Hey, Shandala.
Hey!
Oh, yes. Bless this house, guys.
Hey! You like, when you think of things.
Me either. I always washing the shit. I hate it. I hate it.
So, I'm going to try this. Ignore it so we can put on.
So I'm going to put the water rice. I cook weird, you know. I'm just explaining. And German love my cooking. They say, baby, you never cook the same thing. Because I can't cook, sir. Just mix up things. I can't cook.
Some
phone a ring?
I want to do one competition.
I don't know, I must see me.
The most expensive franchises ever, don't you?
Which one?
Fast.
But yeah, it's wine. When buy this one, it's not yours. I'm having you taste it. I'm not need none, cause him don't drink wine.
So the one from the crime? So the one.
German. Let me tell the vlog.
Jaleel don't like how to fight.
Women don't like how fight. That's not that.
Him really love Keisha, like with the confidence and not agree. Him have a different type of
And Jaleel,
in terms of like Keisha, he must smile. Allah, he will ball.
yeah, I'm not just saying that.
But she gets it, but I later. And we give us a smile. So it's like a different word.
They but you Alan and a man in the sense that she's not a man, she's not married. And you married. I say, man, I pressure you. I am married. Alright, good morning guys. So it is Thursday morning. I am all set and ready for the gym. And yeah, waiting on my brother to carry the boys over and then head to the gym. So yeah. So I'm almost positive y'all can hardly see me, bruh. But it's like almost 6. And I am now walking to the gym. The parking lot is like not really empty, but you see, Ibex, high-low, and I hear that sound that's on the groundscape. That's a guy over there, son, and somebody just walked into that place. Why should I work so early? I just hope I can go in. Excuse me, because I don't have my key. And I want to be stuck out here just beeping, like just pressing the horn or the, what that name, the buzzer. Just I press the buzzer like a careless girl. Alright guys, so I'm done now. Heading home. I can actually film today. Looking forward to that. I want to film what's in my gym bag video. And I also want to film a tutorial. But y'all been asking for like a natural look. So my natural look is just like foundation and that's it. My natural look doesn't consist of anything, nothing much. So I just going to do like a nice neutrally smoky eye. So it'll probably be like a start to finish kind of tutorial based on what you guys want to see. But yeah, heading home. Today was really good. I did my set that Dennis gave us to do, and then I went again and did some some back, some more back, did some calves, did some hamstrings. So that was really good. Enjoyed that. What else? Yeah, then 7:30. I'm leaving I think 10 minutes later than I wanted to leave, but yeah, 7:30. I might take a turn off because for what go in with a girl and back in my hand.
The war and the crime can't bother you, but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me want a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother cause me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a disease. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars.
All set up now. I am going to sit and film. I'm going to film the colorful tutorial. Oh crap, I left the palette at my house. I'm going to use the Airy palette. So I'm done with the tutorial. This is what it's looking like. I use my Yardie Cosmetics palette. You guys are gonna see this. No, this will go before the vlog, or the vlog will go before this look. Very colorful, very reggae, very Jamaican, and I have eyeshadows on my lips. 2885.
2885?
Yeah. No, she pressure my principal and that girl principal and ask her she don't want the belt.
Simone said you don't want the belt again. You know, say, can I jump into the belt a long time?
And you can easily get a discount because she helped out with me so much.
But carry the belt from there. Simone, I'll give you the belt.
Yeah.
Anyhow, we can come by you today to collect the stuff then I carry the belt from there.
At 9,000 feet, but I can get her for 5. Tell her. She here?
Who? I just send you Miss Carson's number. I'm going to send you the school contact number too. The school where generally you can call that number too. And probably ask you. Listen, we just send everything.
So I changed my top. I'm going to see if I can, excuse me, film a sit down talking video. I don't know what I'm gonna film. I'm probably just going to like film a video responding to positive comments and like just talk about my new mindset for 2020. My 2020 mindset. Okay, here we go. I'm done with my second video. So I am gonna charge up my battery, wipe this off, and I think I'm gonna come back and film again. But I need to start writing some songs. I want to write I want to write 2 Christmas songs for this year. And what's coming up? What's coming for it? And a summer song, like a summer party song. I need to write one of those too. I'm just looking down so I can see my makeup. I mean, I have no reason to look down right now because it's fire. Alright guys, first meal of today: 2 eggs, plantain, bread, toast bread. Okay guys, so what are blue string there? Oh, the rod for the curtain. So I started soaking off my nails. I have my other finger to soak off because I'll be redoing my nails tomorrow, but I want to see you. Yeah, so today I did that video as I was going to do, and I just felt really good and positive about it because I mean, you guys say energies as, you know, non-Christians, and some Christians do, but as Christians, you know, we say spirits, because those realms are real. I don't give a shit who you be. The spirits are real. Good ones, bad ones. Yeah, so that I just put that energy that went out there this morning from me, just good vibes and stuff. It really it sets the tone for your day, and it just goes into just being positive, just remaining positive, you know. Think positive, act positive, be positive. How are you doing? Okay. I mean, how are you doing? You know, bruh, I'm here, and I'm gonna make the best of today. So it was really refreshing just reading positive comments, and I don't think I'm going to stop doing that. I think I'm going to do it once a month. I'm going to be reading positive comments from you guys once a month, you know, to foster and to get me into a rhythm too, because I tell you, it's difficult to read my comments sometimes. It's difficult, but yeah, that video this morning, it really set the tone, and I feel good. And y'all saw my breakfast, and I'm still intermittent fasting, and it's at 12:40 something, which is 1.5 shy from my 20-hour fast. So I was fasting for 19 hours, between 18, almost 19 hours. I should have broken it at 2. It was almost 1. So yeah, if I had broken it at 2, it would have been a 20-hour fast. So yeah. And I had my TEAMIblends this morning. I had it. Did I tell you guys? Did I tell you, or I said it in the video for today? So I had I did my TEAMIblends, and well, I took my TEAMIblends. I made it from last night because I like my tea so for like 2 to 3 hours. But I know I'm not going to wake up at 3 to go mix it and go back and lie down. So I make it from last night, make it soak or steep. And I drank it this morning like after 5. So that thing was steeping for hours. hours, like 7 hours, 6 hours. So that breakfast I had, third video filmed. I'm now going to be doing a talking video. I'm going to switch up this whole look. I'm going to be doing a talking video. This is gorgeous. So I'm going to be doing a talking video now. I forgot what was that. What did I say I was going to do? It's in this thing that I said. I'm going to have to rewatch what I said. I did the remain positive. Oh, yes, my fitness routine, and you know, me getting a personal trainer and like what that's like. I feel like an accomplished human being. I filmed my 4 videos today. Filmed my 4 videos today. Yeah, 2 makeup and 2 talking vid. Filmed them for you today. I having some faux ponytail. I having a faux ponytail. Who are you looking at? Oh, your body nice and clean, so squeaky clean. Squeaky clean. Squeak, squeak. Gosh, Jelly, you're so sexy. Like, how you look so good at only 8 months old? How you do? Your brother is here. That's what he did? That's what he did? Don't it? Don't worry yourself, Jolly, man. I'm gonna beat him up for you.
You wanna fight me?
Yeah? Where's it? Alright?
Yeah.
What? You wanna fight you?
Yeah.
Hiya! Come here. It is night now. It's almost like to 9. So I just checked my gym bag, see if everything is in there. I didn't film the what's in my gym bag video. Charging my headphones now. I need like gym stuff. I need to buy some new headphones, and I need like the headphone ear covers, just like accessories. I need an Apple Watch, just like accessories is basically what I'm referring to. Just need accessories. I am sleepy. Oh, I took it to my bed. I want early morning again tomorrow. To go to the gym early again because I have a long day. I have a one-on-one class tomorrow that I'm teaching. So I have to go to the gym early tomorrow. My brother leaving on 5:30, so I can go to him for 5:30. Yeah, I'll go back home, film my tutorial for you guys at my house with my studio lights and everything. Yeah, tomorrow's a full day. Hi guys, I'm at the gym now. Today was interesting. It's what, to 6? My phone saying 6:02, but my phone is 15 minutes fast. So I'm at the gym, going to get a workout in, leave here at 7:30 or 7:45, go home and film and get ready to go to the classes. And of course I'm taking you guys with me. So yeah, so today is going to be an eventful day. You guys won't be bored. Sorry, my face is cut off again. Just trying to get my shite together, and then I'm going to do my nails later on in the night. Oh my god, today is a full day. Yesterday, that's all I had, that's all I ate. And as I said, that was before 1 p.m. and that's all I ate. At around 8 o'clock I started to feel hungry. Yeah, 8 o'clock in the night. I'm going to blood cleansing. I match up my fasting regime. So I just went to my bed, yeah, just drank some water. I went straight to my bed. Yeah, I'm probably going to be judged so hard. But that's what I do, especially when I eat bread. When I eat bread, I'm just like full. Let me show you guys what I'm looking like today. Even though you can't see, but I like how my body is looking. That's why I love intermittent fasting. It really flattens me out. See how my calves look small? I want to work on my calves getting bigger. So yeah, it's just sweating already, always sweating. So I'm done, and this is what I'm looking like. This sports bra from Gymshark, I don't remember the name, I think it's Sculpture. It's easily the best sports bra because it comes all the way up and it like covers my back fat. So it's pretty cool. So this are me. I just love how my body looks. That's why I love intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is my jam. It is legit my jam. And I love high-waisted leggings because it covers like my back fat here, then the sports bra covers my back fat here, so it just looks seamless, you know. So I'm about to head home now. Have to go and get ready, and I have to film my video, but it's gonna be really quick because my ride coming for me at 9:15 and all along it was 9:45. So yeah.
Hi y'all. I'm in the lyrics vlog. I'm good. So I'm the live bar MC, but this is not my show.
No.
Come show your face. Don't make them know say you for true.
No, but them know.
Come. No.
You guys.
Yeah.
So talk to things.
I want to set myself so them don't see the empty food box there. We just ate Popeyes.
I only had chicken. Guys. No fries, no soda. I had an orange juice.
From True Juice, it wasn't freshly squeezed. Whenever they ever do that. Nails too long.
Show them her nails. Her nails are not long. Her nails are like barely half of an inch.
Don't believe it?
Half an inch. Oh. Something like church Sunday. Filter, Portmore. Primarily. All things work together for good for them that love and trust the Lord. All things. Good afternoon. Can you please tell us why it is that your nose looks contoured without you having to contour your nose?
Alright, so we have the lighter colors here, and this is darker, so this would then become more pronounced. Anything that's more pronounced will protrude.
That you've done this yourself, how do you feel?
So I'd love to look in the camera, but I'm just steady looking.
Right.
So, I'm an anti-tear. This lighting is amazing. The anti-tear. I'm going to get my nails done. 7 o'clock.
So you get fat?
Blood cleanse, goodie. They look fresh. You're not even sleepy yet. The ears still up and some. Nice. I'm going to do my nails. Let's see how we do. Lashes.
Man, when I put them on, I can't blink good.
I'm mad, I can't afford this. You know who I got to my nails? Girl, if I take one mortgage for the nails.
You're not looking for no? You're so evil?
Yeah, man, blonde. I color it though, I'm color it blonde. Because I style me up. And my little piece of water this. What's that? I just tell you dry, right? I don't know how I can reach home. Oh.
If I'm a 5, it's 5.
You guys are still there? Makeup working quite fleeky still, no primer, nothing, black opal.
360 950 so 360 9504. Alright, thank you.
home there, Rich? Don't worry about that. Tomorrow, no next day.
I said reach home, reach home.
You never hear me. I have a big number. Big's already reached here.
Big's reach?
I don't in there. I know what I do.
So son, I can't go in.
Slap my nose.
It's a light blue. Big's ready.
My nails are done, you guys. I love them. They're awesome. They're so good. Auntie Tio did that. She did that. We can't even see her. She quarantined. I don't know why she quarantined.
Right? I gotta be.
Jaja never fail. What is it? I'ma stop it. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright.
Hi guys, so now I'm listening to the songs that we're doing for worship for tomorrow. I know that one. I'm going to listen to the other two. Some new songs. I am tired. It's as you saw after 6. Here it comes the fire, me kissing. My nails are so banging. My nails are so banging. Jalil is up, which means I am up. I came home. My nails are done as I saw like to 12. Got home after 12. And then just went to bed. So I went to bed after 12. Now it's up to 6. And I'm up. So I'm just making use of it and just editing so I can have content for you guys. And I'm vlogging, so I'm in my husband's room, drum room. Yeah, and I said husband. The other vlog I had put up something single mom. Y'all know I'm a clickbaiter. And that is what we're doing in 2020. We clickbaiting. And if you guys follow me on social media, you know that's not true. But yeah, but it's just me and the boys mostly because Jermaine works. So he's at work when we're home chilling and having fun and stuff. So yeah, let's go and continue editing this and listen to these songs. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I have to email my pictures to myself. So I'm just saving it. Lord God, this keeps on coming up. I'm just saving the images so I can edit, do my thumbnail. Alright guys, so I apologize. I did not vlog much this morning. Why is it so dark? Did not vlog much this morning. I was rushing, thanks Samantha. I was rushing. So we're at church. I just get Jonathan in porridge. So I'm going to wash it out now. Wash out the cup. If you don't wash it out, it will smell. Sorry. If you wash it out, it will smell stink. So I'm going to wash out the cup. Yeah, I did my makeup this morning in like probably 20 minutes or so. I have to go back into church because I'm leading this morning, so I have to be there, should, uncle, or, call it pastor, uncle, same person, want like a song or something, so I'm going to rush, because I get them a shout out, hallelujah, so I'm just, but yeah guys, I'm at church. I wanted to work. This is my church has 2 services, first service and second service. I wanted to record, but I don't think I'm going to get the chance to. So I feel like maybe I can record for second service. Okay.
I was saying to those in War Room on Wednesday, we have a saying that prayer changes things. And we need to know for sure that prayer doesn't necessarily change things, but it must change you. Jesus is in the garden praying. And he was praying about his way to the cross and said, if it were possible. His prayer did not change the course of what was about to happen. And some of us become disappointed when we pray and some things don't change. There are some things that we have to go through.
Jackass Khan. So I'm not going to give you any. This is all my Jackass Khan. Are you aware?
Mommy, I have a surprise.
You have a surprise for who?
You.
Me? Let me see. Where you find this?
I found it on the ground.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy, you have a package?
No.
Can hold this.
You want me to hold your Batman? Okay.
Don't give nobody here. Nobody. I just can't give my little buddy here.
Okay.
If you're graphic, take it up.
Okay.
Open the door, Simon.
No. I should open two snaps.
Anytime I get for share with the believers.
All right, go on in. I got a good look at it. Who that? Michael, I never have a clue, no guy. Shav, she in the bathroom. Second service time. Look, cleanse. I'm going to end the vlog here, but I got some packages today. I got the ISOT and the NRG. It's right here. I have Jalil in my hand, so that's why this angle is really weird and really dark. Picked up my box today. Let's see how this goes. If it works, if it's something that I can get behind, then I'll definitely consider being a part of the TLC family. If not, and it doesn't work, it's not something that I'm going to get behind. Get behind. I'm just basically testing it out, you guys, to be quite honest with you. But I'm sharing this with you because, you know, content for the vlog. But I'm just sharing this with you. So yeah, so this was sent to me. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm really hoping this really, you know, it works. And I also, this is a sample stuff because the box I was supposed to get, I didn't get it. So I have another package I need to go and collect that has like the real stuff in there, not sample pack. So these are the sample stuff of the ISOT and the NRG. So yeah, and I have 2 pins. This is the invoice, but it says $0. So I have 2 pins, Jalil, in my hand as well. 2 pins and like the bands, the wristbands. So this is my upcoming papa. I promise I'm wrapping up. So this is just my package, showing you guys and ending the vlog. Tonight is Sunday night, and I'm actually going to edit this, put these pieces together, and I'm trying to close the box, put the pieces together, and upload this video. So yep. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.